Hey Tiny Email users, if you ever sent a big campaign, you know that moment before you hit send can feel a bit stressful. Whether you're starting with a brand new domain, migrating from another ESP, or growing an existing audience, you can't blast thousands of emails on day one. Do that and your dashboard will show it right away. Low open rates, poor delivery rates, and landing in the spam folder. So instead, you warm up things slowly, spreadsheets, guesswork, and hoping the inbox providers trust you. It's complicated, and honestly, it's not fun. That's why we built the AI traffic control. It takes the entire warm-up and reputation building process off your hands. The AI builds trust automatically with Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft, and Apple, so your emails land in the inbox, not the spam folder. And the best part, you turn it on once, and the AI handles everything quietly in the background. AI traffic control reads the same engagement metrics you see in your dashboard, things like open rates, click rates, spam rates, and overall deliverability. It starts by sending you the most engaged subscribers first, and then ramps up your volume only when the inbox providers trust your domain. When you set up AI traffic control, you'll choose from 3 warm-up types. Here's how each one works. First, brand new domain. If you're starting fresh with no history, the AI begins with lower daily volumes, around 100 to 500 emails per day, and increases as engagement improves. Most senders grow from 0 to over 100,000 emails per day in just about 30 days or less. Second, domain migration, moving from another ESP. If you're bringing on an established audience, the AI starts higher, around 1,000 to 5,000 per day, because you already have a sending history. Most domains reach full scale in about 10 days, and in real-world use, our AI has successfully migrated senders reaching over 1 million emails in 10 days or less. Third is the existing domain, currently sending on Tiny Email. If you're already on Tiny Email, the AI uses your most recent engagement, open rates, and volumes to keep ramping up safely. It protects your reputation while reactivating inactive subscribers, and many customers see their active audience grow dramatically. On average, senders using this AI expand from about 100,000 to over 300,000 recipients per send. That's a 300% increase. You'll start to see the impact right inside your dashboard. Stronger opens, healthier click-throughs, better deliverability, and few spam issues as the AI warms up your domain safely in the background. Everything updates automatically. No spreadsheets, no manual warm-ups, just smarter sending. So whether if you're launching a new domain, migrating from another ESP, or expanding your audience on Tiny Email, AI traffic control gives you a simple, automated way to protect your reputation and get more of your emails into the inbox. If you want to see this in action, you can sign up to try Tiny Email for free using the link in the description. And we'll catch you next time.